To fix autocorrect on Android, several steps can be taken. Issues with autocorrect often arise due to disabled system-wide spell checking, bugs in the keyboard app, or the use of an outdated keyboard app version. Enabling system-wide spell checking is a key solution. This involves opening the device's Settings app, navigating to General Management, and then to Keyboard Settings, where the Suggests Text Correction option can be toggled on to enable auto spell check. Additionally, clearing the keyboard's cache can resolve problems. This is done by opening the Settings app, selecting Apps, choosing the keyboard app under App Management, and then clicking on Storage Usage to clear the cache. If issues persist, deleting the app's data and setting up the keyboard anew may be necessary. Updating the keyboard app to the latest version is also essential, and this can be achieved by launching the Play Store app, going to the Profile section, selecting Manage Apps and Games, and clicking Update next to the keyboard app to download the latest version. By following these steps, users can effectively fix autocorrect on their Android devices.